What's up, guys? It's Texas Outlaw today, and I have an unboxing here on this gun that I bought from e-bike. It's a 1911 4.3 by WE or by Matrix. I thought it was by WE. So comes with a user manual. Shows you all that good stuff, and then comes with a little mini cleaning rod. I've never had a gun come with one before. It's actually pretty small. Then a bag of this feels like some .12s probably. I wouldn't use them. And then the gun comes wrapped in bubble wrap. It's terrible. They left this outside and I can feel it. It's really hot. It's like been in the sun for a long time. And hopefully this didn't have any gas. Well, it didn't, but I hope it didn't get damaged. Anyways, this is what it looks like. It's can't tell. This is polymer on the bottom or metal. Do a taste test. I think that's metal. So it's a full metal with plastic grips. You can see what it says on the slide right there. And then the sights. And it has an ambidextrous safety, so it has it on both sides. A skeletonized hammer, a skeletonized trigger right there. And then the magazine is a single stack green gas magazine. And on this side it says Tactical 45. Then it has a chrome, what looks like barrel. Yep. It's a chrome barrel. Looks pretty nice. I'm gonna take this orange tip off, so it'll be looking like that pretty much. And yeah, that's basically it for this gun. Thanks for watching. Oh, it also comes with a speed loader. I didn't even see this here. There's a little speed loader. Yeah, that's it. That's it for the unboxing of this 4.3 Matrix 1911 gas blowback. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a great one.